أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start the ayat number 15 of Suratul Qalam. So let's start now. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. إذا تتلى عليه إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين أساطير الأولين. إذا تتلى إذا zal we read in soft sound and also we long due to alif madda. إذا تتلى on the ta we make shiddat and hams quality. The first we make shiddat as we say tut. Like in shiddat we discontinue the sound. Tut we are discontinuing the sound. And after that we make hums quality. In hums we flow the air, like we continue our breath. Tut, la. Lam we long due to standing fatha on it. Idha tutla alayhi. Ain we read from the middle of the throat. Ya is lean here. We read soft sound. Ha we read from the bottom of the throat. Alayhi. Ayatuna. Hamza we long due to standing fatha. Similar ya. Noon we long due to alif madda. Ayatuna. Qala. Qaf we long due to alif madda, and qaf and alif both we read in heavy sound as well. Qala. Asatirul. Sin we long due to alif madda. Alif is coming after fatha sign. Ta we read in heavy sound and also we long due to ya madda. Ra we read in heavy sound as well because of dhamma sign on it. On the lam we read tawassut quality. So we say asatirul. And one more thing, alif here we read in light sound because before the alif there is light letter. And here if you see qala, before the alif there is heavy letter, so alif we read heavy as well. So we say qa, and here we say asa, sa, alif is light, and qa, alif is heavy. On the lam we make tawassut quality, we continue our sound. Awwalin. On the waw there is shadda sign, we make nabr, like we raise our voice on the waw. Lam we long due to ya madda, and when we stop so it becomes madde ariz, and when we stop so we make madde ariz here, and madde ariz we can long 2 or 4 counts as well. It's depend on the speed. So now we say asatirul awwalin. Now we read complete ayat. إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين سنسمه على الخرطوم Sanasimuhu. We do not long any letter here, but this how we long due to invert dhamma, which we also call standing dhamma. We long one alif there. Sanasimuhu alal. On the lam we make tawassut quality. Kha, ra, and ta. These 3 letters we read in heavy sound. Ta we long due to waw madda, and when we stop it becomes madde ariz. So we say alal khurtum. سنسمه على الخرطوم سنسمه على الخرطوم إنا بلوناهم كما بلونا أصحاب الجنة أصحاب الجنة. Inna, there is shadda sign on the noon, we make gunna and also we long one alif, and after that there is alif madda which also we long one alif, so we say inna balawnahum. This is waw lean, we read soft sound, noon we long due to standing fatha on it. This is mim sakin. After the mim sakin, the next letter is kaf. We make a clear sound of mim here, we do not make nasal sound. We say balawnahum ka, hum ka. And also we make tawassut quality on the meme, like we continue our sound little bit, and similar we are discontinuing our sound little bit, like the moderation sound on the meme, not too much quick, like balawna humka, humka. Humka is wrong, we say humka easily. Kama, kaf we read in light sound and meme we long due to alif madda, kama balawna. Again waw lean here, noon we long due to alif madda, and on the alif you can see there is a small mad after the madda letter. If hamza comes in the beginning of the next word, so this is the next word and this is hamza coming in the beginning, so that's why here we make madde munfasil, which we long 4 to 5 counts. We say balawna as. Swad we read in heavy sound, ha we long due to standing fatha on it. On the lam again tawassut quality, on the noon we make gunna, and when we stop, so this ta becomes ha. We are stopping because of jim. Jim is optional place for you. If jim comes, you can stop or you can continue as well, but we are stopping right now, which is better. That's why we say ashab al-jannah. And when we read ha, so we make hums quality on the ha, like we continue our breath. So we say inna balawnahum kama balawna ashab al-jannah iz aqsamu la yasrimunnaha musbihin iz aqsamu. Is zal sound we read in soft sound, and also we continue our sound here because of rakhawa quality. We say is aqsamu. On the qaf we make qalqala, which is weak qalqala. Mim we long due to waw madda. Is aqsamu, is aqsamu la yasrimunnaha. On the swad we make hums quality, and also we did heavy sound due to isti'la quality. In hums quality we continue our breath as we say la yasri. Ra we read in light sound due to kasra. Munnaha. On the noon we make gunna. Ha we long due to alif madda. La yasrimunnaha musbihin. On the swad again isti'la quality, like heavy sound read on the swad, and we flow the air, like we make hums quality musbihin. And also sift safir we apply on the swad as well, like the whistling sound comes musbihin. How we read from the middle of the throat and we long due to ya madda, and when we stop it becomes madde aris, so we say musbihin. إذ أقسموا ليصرمنها مصبحين ولا يستثنون Wala, lam we long due to alif madda. Yes, on the sin we make whistling quality, we make hums quality, like continuation of our breath. Yes, and also we did sin in light sound. Tathnun, sa we did in soft sound, and also we make hums quality as we continue our breath as well. Noon we long due to wa madda. We say wala yastathnun. Wala yastathnun, tathnun. ولا يستثنون فطاف عليها طائف من ربك وهم نائمون فطاف طا and alif both we did in a heavy sound, and ta we long due to alif madda. فطاف عليها, ya is lean here, we did soft sound. Ha we long due to alif madda, and alif is light here. عليها, ha, and here alif is heavy. فطا عليها. Okay. طائف من ربك. Ta we read again in heavy sound, and also we long due to mad sign on it, because after alif madda hamza is coming in the same word after madda letter. That's why we make madde muttasil, which we long 4 to 5 counts here. After the tanween, the next letter is mim. We make idgham with ghunna because of shad sign on the mim as well. Ta'ifum min rabbika. This noon we do not read. After the noon sakin, the next letter is ra. We make idgham without ghunna. So this noon we do not read. Mim we connect directly with the ra. Mir rabbika. On the ba we make bit strong voice. Wahum naimun. After the mim sakin, the next is noon. We make the clear sound of mim, and again here is madde muttasil. Mim we long due to waw madda. So when we stop, it's become again madde aris. So we say wahum naimun. And now we read complete ayat. فطاف عليها طائف من ربك وهم نائمون فأصبحت كالصريم فأصبحت. The swad we did in heavy sound due to isti'la letter, and also we make a whistling sound, and we continue our breath here due to hums quality. فأصبحت. How we read from the middle of the throat. On the ta we make shiddat and hums, both qualities. First we make shiddat, then we make hums. In hums we continue our breath, and in shiddat we discontinue the sound. So first we make shiddat, hat. So we are discontinuing the sound of ta. This is called shiddat, and after that we release our breath. So we say hat. So we say فَأَصْبَحَتْ كَالصَّرِيمِ. Kaf we did in light sound, swad we did in heavy sound again due to isti'la quality. Ra we did in light sound due to kasra under it, and we long due to yamadda. So we say kaswarim. On the meme, when we stop, so we make tawassut quality. We continue our sound little bit as we say kaswarim. We cannot finish meme sound very quickly as kaswarim, reem. This is wrong. Okay, little continue due to tawassut quality. كالصريم فأصبحت كالصريم. And now we read this complete lesson again, so listen carefully and try yourself. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين سنسمه على الخرطوم إنا بلوناهم كما بلونا أصحاب الجنة إذ أقسموا ليصرمنها مصبحين. ولا يستثنون فطاف عليها طائف من ربك وهم نائمون فأصبحت كالصريم صدق الله العظيم. So this is our today's lesson. Inshallah, in the next class we will start the new lesson. So if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.